Hello everybody, welcome to Credleton Corner. My name is Allison and today we're going to check out this bark box. It's not just any bark box, it's a super chewer. I had trouble saying that earlier, so that's funny. We got it for our daughter Sugar Bean Anthony and she's insanely spoiled. So we're going to check this out. Let's see what we got. It says let's chew it. Open so you guys can see it. It says birds and bees. Oh, it says it's time you and your dog had the talk. That's not a good sign. Let's see what we got. Thinker's Real Sticks. Ooh, duck recipe. Looks like a little beef jerky. I'm sure Sugar would love it. What's this guy? Busy Bee. I guess this is the toy. No toy is 100% indestructible. We'll see about that. Huh. I don't know exactly what is this? JK. Here's the paper. Really? Oh, it's the whole thing. Okay. So, Love Buzz is this guy, designed for small dogs, rubber squeaker and honey scent. It's supposed to be for dogs 0 to 19 pounds, but Sugar is 30, so we'll see how that goes. And then for this guy, where is that? Is it? I don't know about that one. Moving on. Love at First Bite. Bad romance. Because they're lamb. I guess it doesn't really say like all of it though. I guess it's just the toy. Okay. It's just the toy part that's in there. Obviously, you're not going to put all that stuff in there. Oh, it's wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. Sure, Rainy will love that. Of course, she's not terribly picky. Who's this guy? Love at First Bite, Down to Duck. Oh. Also wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. So duck and lamb with mango and carrots, and then this one is with cranberries. Okay. This guy. Oh, we got another little beef jerky, but this one is salmon, and the other one was duck. Rainy will really like this one. She likes salmon. What in the world is this? Lovey-dove. It's a little dove. Kind of looks inappropriate, but it's okay. Okay, so it's for medium and large dogs, 20 pounds and up. You can dishwash it. That's exciting. A vanilla scent. I don't believe that, but I'm sure she'll like that. And then this, what is this? It says, let's sniff butts. Guess it's a little, oh, JK, there's lots of them. Oh, it's like a little coupon thing for other people to get their first month free. That's kind of cool. Where was this? Or we're ordering. Cool.
Okay. I'm here with Sugar Bean Anthony. I am Bam Shalam. And we are doing a Super Chewer BarkBox review. First off, we got 2 toys came with us. This is the Lovey Dovey. Lovey Dovey! Yeah. And this comes out. This little wing comes out. Little Dovey wing. Put some little butter of some kind in there. Yeah. See? There's nothing even in there she's going at. That's how good the Lovey Dovey works. You know? It is natural rubber body, solid nylon wings, vanilla scent. Awesome. We also got this Busy Bee. My wife accidentally called this the Love Buzz earlier. I'll take the blame for that. This one is rubber, squeaker, honey scent, and you can rub some other butters in there, make it a little hard for them to get to. Yeah? Yeah? Little Busy Bee? I see you eyeballing these treats. Yeah, I see you. We got sent 2 treats. This is the Love at First Bite. I see you, Reenie. Love at First Bite. Bad Romance. Yeah? Here for one of these. These are lamb treats. She not had a lot of lamb, okay? Get you a good one. Yeah? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, good girl. Ugh. Whew. Mint time. Alright, there's that. The second one is Love at First Bite, Down to Duck. Well, we'll just give her the treat this time. She's had duck treats before. She likes duck. There we go. What do you think?
Do you think it's chewy because it's a Super Chewer box?
Hmm?
Do you think it's chewy because it's a Super Chewer box?
It might be chewy. That could be it. Maybe there's a normal chew to the regular bark boxes. You don't know. Which one do you like best, huh? Lamb or the duck? She's staring at that lamb hardcore. Okay. We'll give me another one in a minute, okay? We can't show them how spoiled you are. Alright? That was your Super Chewer box. Let's go play, alright? Let's go play. Come on.